So before Kolleno, the issues we had with managing our accounts was generally that everything was manual. We had very manual processes. We was running off Excel sheets exported from our previous accounts package before we migrated to NetSuite. So we had no sort of formal communication with customers. It was not automated. It was a manual email process with no pre-built emails that we use from an Outlook inbox. With Kolleno, we've moved into the 21st century where we have a lot more automation. So I'm Jordan Hickson. I'm the Accounts Receivable Manager for DNA Payments Group. So my responsibilities generally include anything sort of accounts receivable related. So that's anything from invoicing to credit control for our corporate and SME portfolio. Currently at the moment there's a lot of manual processes. So my aim will be to bring the AR completely automated across the group and consolidate all of our processes from an AR perspective as well. Our mission at DNA Payments is to help promising businesses thrive. As a payments provider, we have a multitude of different payment options for different sized businesses. So this is anything from single card machines to EPOS solutions, e-commerce solutions, as well as integrated solutions as well. So our main aim is to make our customers' businesses be more efficient in terms of payment processing. So which is all the more important that we're also efficient as well operationally. Kolleno has helped us solve these issues with their sort of pre-built integrations with our new accounts package NetSuite, GoCardless, our new direct debit provider, and generally the accessibility of the system is very easy to use. It's very custom and we can speak to Kolleno and they will make things happen for us as well. So it allows us to automate things a lot easier and be more efficient in that process. So my experience of setting up NetSuite with Kolleno was really easy. So because I'm an administrator of our account, it was quite easy for me to log in, click a button, download an app, and that instantly connected NetSuite to Kolleno. Literally in the space of an hour, you can get that done. So the features that had the largest impact on our business was the reconciliation tool. So previously, it was a manual reconciliation process between our accounts package and our direct debit provider. So due to the volume we have, that can go into the thousands. So that reconciliation tool alone has just helped us speed up that process. Normally it would take a couple of days, but with the reconciliation tool, that took a matter of hours. So the favourites that we have in Kolleno will be the workflow tool. So it's very easy to use, very customisable, and someone with little to no experience could quite easily set up a collection strategy using that workflow tool. Direct debits and automation is key in our internal processes because we want things to be efficient as possible. So from a cash flow perspective, we want to, obviously as a business, focus on collecting that cash flow as quick as possible so that we can put that towards other operational areas. Kolleno's integration with GoCardless has allowed us to prioritise that because the direct debit's automated. So previously we had one direct debit run a week, so where we'd focus on a manual direct debit collection from previous week. So now that is efficient as possible, so that direct debit is happening on the invoice due date. So we've got no slowing of time basically to collect that. I would recommend Kolleno to other businesses because of how easy to use it is. They have a lot of pre-built integrations with other providers in the sort of accounting software and direct debit provider space. So you more than likely use one of them. So you can quite easily use the pre-built integrations. And also they're very competitive in terms of the sort of collection software market. Previously working with different providers, Kolleno seemed to offer a lot more in terms of customizability, and the team at Kolleno always want to focus on what you want from the software.